I sort of noticed that in talking with clients, they basically kept telling me, Kelly, we don't want another piece of paper, we want something more engaging, you know. And so listening to my clients again, because that's what you do, I realized that my real, say, secret sauce is in the fun stuff, and that's really where I shine. And I find people get more out of it when you're being you, when you're you're being authentically yourself. And so now what I'm doing is it literally is the fun stuff. It's going into companies and we're doing things like murder mystery parties or superhero academies, or instead of lunch and learns, we're doing lunch and laughs, and that is in order to bring not just the wellness aspect, I mean, I could go in and do live talks. I've done that, and they're great. Information is great, but people are doing that,
Very
right?
cool.
And so for me, it's going in and tying wellness to these fun team engagement activities or events, So basically, I make them work for their clues. In order to get the clues for the murder mystery party, you have to
Gotta
try
work
that
for it.
smoothie
Yeah.
or do box breathing.
Try something. Very cool.